Antifreeze. Still got antifreeze in it. Still full.
Howdy folks, welcome to another episode of Bob's Outdoor Engineering Adventures.
Oh shit.
Today we got Bob, and we got Jesse, and we got Scott. And today we're gonna, or at least these guys are gonna get Scott's 69 Road Runner that's been sitting here dormant for a few years.
Just a few.
Today's the day that it gets a new lease on life. And these guys and myself, we're gonna load it onto their trailer. They're gonna take it out to Scott and Jesse's shop, and Scott's gonna start working on it. It's a car Scott's owned for a long time. Brought it with him from Iowa back in the, what was it, 80s? 1980 something? 1991. He brought this from Iowa with him. Pulled it to Georgia behind his D100.
Oh, D50.
D50. Excuse me. He's got a, still is a drag car. It just has to, just needs a little. There we go. We got the hood latched. So I'm going to put this thing up, and we're going to try and figure out how we're going to get it loaded on this trailer here.
No, where's my blower at? Heads up, I'm going to use the blower. Time for a break.
Oh, no brakes. No brakes. He's bringing out the noise maker. He likes it. He likes that blower. Last tagged in,
I think it's 03, isn't it?
It's got an October 19 tag on it.
Oh, I just stuck that on there the other day.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Perfect, so the county would leave you alone.
Well, they never bothered me.
There's the driver's seat.
I don't think I got a seat in it at all, do I? Oh, I got that plastic thing.
Yeah, lawn chair. Yeah. It's almost in mint condition.
Yeah. Almost.
It'd be great for roadkill. Actually, the guy from Derek from Vice Grip Garage bought roadkill. He bought the Challenger that they had. Went all the way to he's just made a new shop in Tennessee. He moved from Minnesota to Tennessee. Now he's got a shop where he does all his YouTube stuff, and he bought their Challenger and drove it. I think it was 1,200 miles. I can't remember. It was drove it. Yeah.
Did you know Harley said that guy drove that motorhome out of there and drove it like 40 miles?
What are you doing, getting the jack stands out?
There you go, Michelin imprint. Yeah.
Yeah, those are those metric tires. I had those on my BMW.
Careful.
What are we doing on here?
I'm getting...
Don't worry, folks. We're being safe.
Yeah, right.
We're all about safety here. We got a couple of broken bricks, and what's that right there?
Some bolt probably fell out of the engine. Who knows? All right, look out. Coming down. There, first time it's been on the ground. 17 years.
Yep.
Or so.
Uh-oh. Well, it's not on the ground yet.
Shit. Hey, pick up. Uh-oh.
What are you stuck on?
I'm stuck on a jack.
Jack doesn't go low enough?
I shouldn't have used that damn piece of wood.
Oh.
Oh well.
Another jack? We got jacks over here.
Yeah, I'll just go back.
new tank in it, or somewhat.
Yeah, I know this might be difficult.
No, it'll fit under there.
I know that, but I mean, get the right angle, go in the right direction.
Yeah.
Well, I guess so. There it goes.
Yeah, you're fine. Just gonna put that jack under there. We'll be able to just, probably all three of us, just push it over.
Yeah, all we gotta do is get it straight.
Yeah, fender there. That's holding it together, you know.
Oh, I know. They gotta be cut out anyway. Eventually.
Yeah. They're a little chewy, but it's not that big a deal.
Chicken wire, a little Bondo, be good.
Yeah.
I mean,
Newspaper. Lots of newspaper. Shove it in there.
tangle foam, whatever.
That is. That's a piece of something.
I welded the whole back of my Challenger on. I probably could just weld those in.
That little hole right there was all that car had in it when I bought it. Right there, that was it.
Yeah, I remember back in the apartment complex.
Yeah.
Whenever it was 20 years ago, it didn't have nothing on it.
Pull the jack.
Wait a minute, just a second.
First daylight.
Well,
That's right.
all right, Bob. Let's go. We need your muscles. Ready?
Well, you pull the jack. Let me
Hold the jack.
pull the
This is
jack
already
so the
got it.
jack doesn't.
All right, come on.
A little bit more.
And maybe a little bit.
A little more?
Maybe just a
A
little.
little bit.
Hey, ready, go.
Might be. Check that.
Holy crap.
Did your rallies?
Yeah.
Keys, bought those from Ken Dahl Motors.
Rally GTs.
Still order them.
$60 a piece for them.
Costs a lot more than that now.
Yeah. They're slightly dry rotted, but nah, still good for a couple 100 miles. Man, I wish you'd known they were going to trade in that little peachy cruiser. I'd have probably bought that thing.
I think. Neutral?
Yeah, neutral.
Yeah, has it got gears?
No, I was saying it's transmission gear. That's what I meant.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I mean.
Well, it can't be if the wheels are.
No, they're just turning. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. No, it's in neutral.
Oh, they got air in them.
Yeah, well, I aired these two right sides years ago.
Oh, did you?
The left side I didn't touch because that left front just blew out on me. You remember that?
Oh, yeah, but still holding air, believe it or not.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
That one is definitely not. But
Yeah, that one got a big knot on the
I
side.
think we went a little too far there, guys.
And that's fine.
Okay.
Perfect.
Be able to pull it back more.
Perfect alignment.
Got plenty. We don't need that. Just don't want it. Whatever. I don't know. Which one's what? Oh, it's free right now, right? Should be.
Yeah.
I don't want to damage the light. Let me see what I'm gonna hook up.
You want any of this tow rope thing or not?
Oh, we could have done that. Yeah, let's try that.
Yeah, that'll probably work.
I wonder if it's got slots in the frame.
I don't know.
Might not want to pull on the frame.
I don't know how they work, honestly.
Worst comes to worst, we'll just rip the frame rails out from underneath.
Yeah, well,
That thing
they're replaceable.
may work.
Everything's available.
They're probably a little chewy, but
See, there's a hole.
don't hook it onto the gas tank straps.
These things I think are supposed to go in a hole.
We're gonna go get the ramps off the other trailer. We've got another homemade trailer over there in the weeds. Haha.
Oh, look at my grass. Look at old thin grass coming in.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
About as good as it can be.
Yeah. Now there's more out there. I need to get more.
Oh, these are the, I see, these are the aluminum ones.
They're long, really long. And they pop up really bad. These aren't perfect, but it'll be alright for this.
Work for a while.
Get the keys. Just back it up. Should start right up.
Yeah. Yeah, she'll fire right up.
Oh, there's a...
My God, that tire's just gonna shred.
Oh well, that's alright. As long as don't shred the damn.
You gotta break into your own
You
car.
have to go in that way. Yeah, I can't remember how to get in that door.
Forgot how to break.
There's the key.
Oh, there you go.
You pull the bolt.
Was this car green or was it orange originally?
Don't worry about that door. We'll get it later. Ready to roll the window down? Whoa.
No,
Got a something on it?
it does window. It's not even the right window, is it?
No, it's not the right window. That's whoa, 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 whoa. Maybe we pull some of the shit out of here. I don't know. It'll be alright. Alright, let's see what happens here. Who's running the winch there, Bob?
I got the winch if you
You
want
got
me
the
to.
winch?
I got the winch.
You got the ding. I think we could push the front end around it. Lots of wheels in there a little bit, but counterclockwise. Alright, you're real, Bob. Is it gonna hit that side?
Oh, it's perfect.
How's that side look?
Perfect.
Okay. Alright, I
Pull this ramp. Push that ramp out just a little bit.
didn't want
This ramp on the right side. Push the top end out, not the bottom. A little bit more, the top, as it connects to the trailer. There you go.
get this brick out.
Ready? You're getting closer on that side than this side.
This side?
On your side, I think. It's pretty good though. I mean, it's you got you got 5 inches. I don't know. I mean, that's almost dead on. I'm gonna keep going.
Probably as far as you can because the motor's on the back.
Right.
That's the heaviest part.
That's I was gonna. You're maybe another foot and
May have to damn disconnect it and hook the hooky thing around the.
Well, you're gonna have to get
Well,
it.
you're out. You're done. Forget it. Can't do shit right now.
Oh shit! Yeah, that's it.
Hold on.
Alright, well, cut the video off here. We're going to tie it down and I'll hook it up later and get it off. Alright, it's all loaded up. Yep. Lights, camera, action. It's ready for a road trip. I got the hoods and stuff out of the. They're a little chewy.
Yeah.
Oh well.
That's too bad.
You can fix
that
them.
was perfect.
Good metal guy can fix those. Well, off it goes. Off to its final destination. And then there were none.